come out. I'm sure you're not a psycho. You should be somewhere, somehow. But now I sound, you won't come out.